Good morning to all. Next topic is about group 16 oxygen group of elements. So the elements which are present in group 16 are oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, and polonium. So the first four elements we are call it as the chalcogens. So because many metal ores occurs as the oxides and sulfides. So first one is oxygen. So oxygen is the most abundant element in atmosphere and ocean. So it constitutes 46.6% of the earth crust. So next one is sulfur. Sulfur is a less abundant element and occurs in free and the combined state. Sulfur is also known as brimstone. So next one, selenium and the tellurium. These two elements are scarce. So we are getting these elements as selenites and the tellurites along with the sulfides. So and the last element is polonium. It is the radioactive element, occurs in the trace amounts in uranium ores. So it's named from Poland. So Marie Curie discovered this element in 1898. So next thing about physical properties of group 16. So the elements which are present in group 16 are oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, and polonium. So except oxygen, all the remaining elements are in solid state. So the atomic number of oxygen is 8, sulfur is 16, selenium is 34, tellurium 52, and polonium 84. So next one is isotope. So isotope means same atomic number and different mass number. So atomic masses are increases from oxygen to the polonium. So next one is electronic configuration. So the general electronic configuration for this group is Ns to Np4. So atomic radius increases from oxygen to the polonium. So the number of shells increases. So the atomic number is increases from oxygen to polonium. So like that, melting point and boiling point are increasing from oxygen to the polonium. So next thing about oxygen preparation. So first preparation, the decomposition of hydrogen peroxide in presence of catalyst magnesium dioxide. So or by oxidation with potassium permanganate. Here we are decompose this hydrogen peroxide means we are getting water and the oxygen molecule. So otherwise, so the hydrogen peroxide we mix it with potassium permanganate means so the potassium permanganate oxidizes. So we are getting the oxygen. So next one is thermal decomposition of certain metallic oxides or oxoanions gives the oxygen. So mercury oxide gives mercury and oxygen. Barium oxide gives barium oxide and oxygen. So potassium chlorate gives potassium chloride and oxygen. Potassium nitrate gives potassium nitrate and oxygen. So oxygen exists as the diatomic gas. So it is a paramagnetic material. So why we are call it as oxygen as a paramagnetic material means because it contains two unpaired electrons. So we are called oxygen as a paramagnetic material. So oxygen exists in the two allotropic form, namely dioxygen that is O2 and trioxygen ozone O3. So pure ozone is obtained as a pale blue gas. So by the fractional distillation method. So this one is the structure of the ozone. So it is the bent shape, so unsymmetrical with delocalized bonding between the oxygen atoms. So what is delocalized? So the electrons are moving from here, this oxygen to this, so and this oxygen to this one. So the moving of electrons from one oxygen to another, we are calling it as the delocalized here. Next one is how to draw the structure for ozone. So the formula for ozone is O3. So oxygen atomic number 8. So electronic configuration of oxygen is 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. So the valency of oxygen is 6. So how many number of oxygen is there? 3. So 3 into O, or that means oxygen. So oxygen atomic number 6, sorry, valency 6. So 3 into 6, 18. So first we need to write the, draw the 3 oxygen. So and then we need to connect the oxygen through the bond. So each bond containing 2 electron. So first we need to draw this 2 bond. So 4 electron is there. So 18 minus 4, 14 electrons. So already the 4 electrons are involved in bonding. So remaining 14 electrons, we need to keep the dot over the oxygen molecule. So first I need to start from this oxygen. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Remaining 2 electron is there, 13, 14. So in that, each atom need to satisfy the octet rule. See this one. So this 2 electrons are shifted to this side here. So how many a number of electrons for this oxygen now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So this oxygen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 electrons only there. So but the oxygen valency is 6. So 1 electron is deficient here. So we are going to put plus here. So like that we need to check for this oxygen. So how many number of electrons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So oxygen valency is 6 only, but extra electron, 1 electron is there. So we need to put minus sign here. So this is the structure of the ozone molecule. So how we are getting this ozone molecule? So oxygen combined with the nascent oxygen gives the ozone molecule. So next one is about chemical properties of oxygen. Oxygen combines with many metals and non-metals to form the oxides. So some of the less reactive metals react with oxygen only in the finely powdered form. So the reaction is highly exothermic. This finely divided metal, we are calling it as the pyrophoric. So on the other hand, ozone is a powerful oxidizing agent. So it reacts with many substances under ordinary conditions where oxygen will not react. So whenever the oxygen is not reacting with that certain compounds, so but ozone is reacting with that particular compound and it is oxidized. So for example, ozone reacts with potassium iodide. So here ozone reacts with potassium iodide, use the iodine. So here the iodine is in the Ki, the iodine is in -1 oxidation state. So in this right hand side, the iodine, the oxidation state is changes into 0. So the -1 oxidation number is changes to 0 here. So the number is increasing, you call it as oxidation. So this reaction is quantitative and can be used for the estimation of ozone. So the amount of ozone can be estimated using this equation. So we are doing this equation using volumetric method. So next one is uses. So oxygen is one of the essential component for the survival of living organism. So without oxygen, we can't survive in this world. So it is used in welding purpose. So that one is oxyacetylene welding. So liquid oxygen is used as fuel in rockets.